Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you who is Shah Rukh Khan, which is Indian actor. Shah Rukh Khan, also spelled Shah Rukh, who is born in November 2, 1965 in Delhi in India. Indian actor known for his powerful screen presence. He was one of the most sought after Bollywood actors. After graduating with bachelor's degree in economics from Raj College, University of Delhi, and beginning a master's degree in mass communications, Khan dropped out academic study to pursue, pursue a career in acting. He entered the film industry throughout work in theatre and television. His first acting jobs were in television serials such as Fauji 1988 in the role of Commando and Circus in 1989, which won him instant recognition. His breakthrough movie was Divana 1992 Crazy, and it marked the turning point in his acting career. Initially, Khan's success was based on his anti-hero portrayals in Bazigar 1993, Gambler, and Dar in 1993, which is also called Fear. He rejected the image of conventional hero in both film and created his own version of villain in later films. However, he assumed the role of hero and helped produce such blockbusters as Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge in 1995, The Bag Hearted Will Take Away the Bride, Karan Arjun 1995, Dil To Pagal Hai, and in 1997, The Heart Is Crazy, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Something Is Happened in Devdas 2002, Kal Ho Na Ho, Tomorrow May Never Come in 2003, Veer Zara in 2004, Chakte India in 2007, Go India, My Name Is Khan in 2010, and Jab Tak Hai Jaan in 2012, As Long As I Live. The last film directed by Yash Chopra. In many of those films, Khan played a overall sensitive lover or son. He also met success in comedic roles in films such as Chamatkar in 1992, Miracle in Yes Boss in 1997, Duplicate 1998, Chennai Express in 2013. Also not noteworthy was his role as Emperor Ashoka in a film produced Ashoka the Great 2001. Khan's later hit movies included Happy New Year in 2014 in an action comedy centering on a dance competition, and the crime drama Rise in 2017, in which he played a bootlegger. In 2005, Khan was presented the Padma Shri and one of India's highest civilian awards. By 2012, he had won 15 Filmfare Awards in various capacities, mainly for Best Actors. So this is for this video, and please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.